Harus nah. Soal. Gimana zoom harus nali? Kemana hilang musa?
Right. First. If you don't understand, then you are. What? What do you call? Radio. What do you call? Written?
Soal. Example kutuk nama क्या था?
What problem?
Example kutuk nama?
What is on TV today?
What is on TV today?
Written?
Sir. सर बिफोर सम को बात किया था सर। बिफोर सम को बाद
Before some expressional words. EXPRESSIONAL. These all are important. You have to remember it. Now you are learning on a line. No.
Sir, please side.
These all are important to remember. Another?
Sir, video is not clear. Video is not clear, sir.
Sir is not here, then how can I manage it in filming? There is no any sir, those who know about it. I also don't know how can I clear it. Road 6. Hey, 5 to 6. Some. Attend on. Attend one कौन सा? सम्मिलित सुनो. Depend on. Depend on है? आश्रित मान. Based on. आधारित. Based on है? आधारित. I go based on the DESC. अति राम बोलेगा. Keep on. Keep on माने continue. Keep on माने कौन सा? Rely on माने भरोसा करना. उनके माने से लिखा है ना. Sign माने signature करना. Sign on the paper. Sign in the paper होते ना गलती है अच्छा. Sign on the paper. कति जना होते sign in the paper है ना. Switch on.
सर डिपेंड ऑन को आफ्टर क्या था
Which?
आफ्टर डिपेंड ऑन
Depend was based, B-A-S-E-T, based on.
बेस्ड ऑन
आधारित. Determine on. Determine on मान क्या होता है? Decide. Rest on. Rest on. Leave on. Leave on माने higher जीनु. Higher live in माने होता बसनु. याद रखना. Live in माने क्या होता? I live in village. बसनु. Live on माने higher जीन. जैसे we all live on food. यहाँ we live in food होते हैं. Live in food माने खाना बसा. Live on माने तो बसनु. Live on माने higher जीनु. How do you survive? I survive on food. On finish. Now, after on preposition with no.
Sir.
Happy.
कैमरा क्लियर कर
Clear the camera. Student are unable to write. Camera is clear. Sir is clear.
तिम्रो नेट डिस्टर्ब छ हिमांशु तिम्रो नेट डिस्टर्ब छ क्यामेरा क्लियर छ
General written.
यस सर
Together माने कौन सा? एक साथ. Together माने एक साथ. In the sense of togetherness. Preposition which is used. Example. Ram is coming with his father. We are living with our parents.
सर कैमरा नहीं जानुस् न
Before physical features and digits with use example.
सर 2 नंबर का एग्जांपल क्या था
We are
कोई पुलिस चला हमें बोतल लगा
here. ये brown माने क्या होता है? Brown hair. यहाँ चला जो brown hair में कलर को जो है तो केता सवाल मेरो मित्र He is ill with fever. उसको ज्वरो लागे कुछ He is ill with fever. Disease है in Arabic. सिग्नल लगाउँदै देने मार्क यिनीहरूमा बढी इम्युनिटी छैन
सर सर
हेलो
रूल 2 को एग्जांपल में क्या था सेकंड नंबर का एग्जांपल
he is ill with fever.
हेलो
हेलो
एकचोटि अझै भन्नु त रुल नम्बर 2
रूल नंबर 2 एक्चुअली अझै भन्नु न
before physical features FEAPURES and digits DISEASES which is used example
यूज
brown
ए
the boy with brown Here is my friend. Number 2, he is ill with her. Rule 3. Before means of working. मीन्स माने साधन, जो साधन लिएर तिमी काम गर्छ, साधन बुझ्छ, टुल्स मीन्स माने टुल्स, औजार, प्रिपोजिसन अफ वर्किङ, जुन लिएर काम गर्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ प्रिपोजिसन विथ प्रिजियो. Example, I am writing with the pen. Pen लिएर लेख्छ means भयो. Number 2, he killed her with gun. Scenario? The last question, so the last rule now for today. Every day. Now it. Listen to the name behind this. Listen, rule number 4. Last. There are some words. Rule number 4. Write down. There are some words which always take preposition with. There are some words which always take preposition with. With converted form only. Take preposition with. Write down. Please with. Please with. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please with. Happy with. Happy with. I am happy with you. Listen, I am happy with. Happy with. Popular with. Popular with. Agree with. A-G-R-E-E. Agree with. Fight with. All are important. Fight with. F-I-G-H-T. Fight with. Deal with. Deal. D-E-A-L. D-E-A-L. Deal with होने व्यापार गर्नु, व्यवहार गर्नु. Discuss with. Don't discuss with me. Discuss with. Bargain with. Bargain. B-A-R-G-A-I-N. Bargain माने मोल जोल गर्नु. Bargain माने मोल जोल गर्नु. आधे नोट लिखने मोल जोल. 5 रुपए में देखो, 10 रुपए में देखो. Bargain with. मोल जोल गर्नु. Polite with. C-O-L-L-I-T-E. टकराउनु. Polite. C-O-L-L-I-T-E. कति भयो? Meet with. M-E-E-T. Meet with. भेट गर्नु. Meet with. I will meet with you tomorrow. Lakshmi is eating something in the mouth. What? How many words eaten? Just value. So all the words preposition will be asked tomorrow. Tomorrow finish this lecture. The new chapter. Body खत्म हो गया. हमारे स्कूल का नियम है क्योंकि